Hi student, today we are going to discuss about next point, that is my role in an environment. In last period we learn about the biodiversity. There are three types of biodiversity. Number first, genetic biodiversity. Number two, species biodiversity, and number three, ecosystem biodiversity. By using these three types of biodiversity, we have to preserve the environment. We preserve the rare species of plants and animals. Then also we have to discuss about the big story of a small man. The big story of a small man, in which the how a single man can be determined. Look at this. If a single man can be determined, establish the new forest, and many people come together can destroy the forest. Look at this. It is the most important fact. We have to learn the story, the big story of a small man. In this story, the single man determined and established the new forest. To conserve the forest, to protect the environment, to protect the environment, some points or some remedies are also important to conserve the environment. So in this period today we are going to discuss about my role in an environment. Look at this. In an environment, all living organisms are all living organisms, ecosystem, microbes are present. So every human being is responsible to protect the environment. So what is the role to protect the environment? So this point we have to discuss what is the role of each and every human being to protect the environment. So we have to discuss about my role in an environment. Look at this. Some factors are necessary. These factors are necessary to conserve the environment. So these factors are responsible to protect the environment. So my role in the environment, these factors are as conservation, number 2 control, number 3 production, number 4 preservation, number 5 prevention, and number 6 awareness. These are the 6 factors. By using these 6 factors, we control the pollution which is harmful to the environment. We have to preserve the rare species of plants, animals into the environment. So my role in an environment, all these six factors are included. So number first factor is conservation. Look at this. We have to conserve the leftover natural resources, which are the remaining natural resources. We have to we have to conserve these natural resources. We have to conserve the rare species of plants and animals into the environment. So my role in environment, in this point, the conservation is important. The we have to conserve natural resources which are available into the nature. So we have to conserve these natural resources. Then control. We have to control overuse of harmful substances that causes the air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. We have to control deforestation. We have to control overuse of vehicles. We have to use the solar energy, hydroelectric energy, wind energy. These are the energies we have to use to reduce the such type of pollution to affect the environment. So we have to control the harmful substances which destroy the environment. Third point, production. In a production, we have to give the new ideas, innovation. We have to give the innovation. We have to discover the new ideas that are necessary, that are used to preserve the environment, to control the pollution of environment. So innovation is important. We have to discover the devices working on a solar energy, also hydroelectric energy, wind energy. Such devices will have to be used to control the destroy of environment. So In production we have to increase the such devices working on solar energy, wind energy. Innovation is important to reduce the such type of pollution. Next, preservation. We have to preserve the rare species of plants and animals. We know that in the overuse of water, soil, most of the rare species of plants are destroyed day by day due to the deforestation and dams, and also we have to build the houses, buildings and chemical factories. So rare species of these plants and animals are totally destroyed from the environment. So we have to preserve the species of rare species of plants and animals in the surrounding. Next, prevention. We have to prevent the harmful harmful substances which are used into the environment. We have to prevent the chemical substances that does not destroy, that does not decompose into the environment, such as plastic and thermocol. Plastic and thermocol, these are the two substances does not easily degradable into the soil. They does not destroy. Plastic and thermocol does not easily destroy into the environment. Due to the use of thermocol, different toxic gases are released into the air. Also, overuse of plastic things, air get polluted. Look at this. Different diseases occurs in the plants when they can when the plastic goes into the these animals. So such type of cancer diseases, also some intestinal diseases are occur due to the plastic and thermocol. So we have to prevent these harmful substances. These we have to reduce the use of this plastic and thermocol into the nature, or we have to prevent the use of these substances. Next, awareness. Look at this. To prevent, to clean the environment, to save the trees, to save the plant, to increase the number of plants in our surrounding, to protect the environment, we give the awareness to the people with help of education. Number two, different competition we have to be arranged to save the trees, to plant the trees. Also awareness with help of education, with help of different types of competitions we have to be arranged, and with help of positive mindset. We have to be give the importance to save the trees to the people. So most of the we have to be given the ideas to save the environment, give the awareness with help of education. Different radio or TV channels, we have to give the importance to conserve the rare species of plants and animals. So dear student, look at this. These are the six factors are necessary to protect the environment. So my role in the environment, to conserve the environment, to protect the environment, all these factors are necessary. Number first, conservation. Number two, control. Number three, production. Number four, preservation, prevention and awareness. Now discuss about hot spot of biodiversity. We know that 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots all over the earth. Rare species of plants and animals get destroyed. Overuse of water, overuse of indiscriminate use of water, soil, and harmful substances. We have to care all these factors, all these rare species of plants and animals into the environment. So in our India or over the world, we have to discuss how many places are endangered of rare species of plants and animals. Look at this. There are 34 highly sensitive places which are endangered. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots all over the world. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots all over the world. Look at this. In 86 already destroyed. 86% of rare species of plants, animals and microbes already destroyed. So we have to protect the environment. We have to preserve the rare species of plants and animals. Look at this. Only 2.3% area of earth has been left over. Only 2.3% of earth of area of biodiversity we have to be remaining left over. And in our India, we have to discuss about biodiversity in our India. Out of 135 species of animals, 85 species are found into the forest or jungles. So these 85 species of plants and animals we have to preserve, because when these species of plants and animals are vanishes from the nature, then we cannot obtain again. So we have to preserve these rare species of plants and animals into the environment. Look at this. In our country, 3 endangered hotspots of biodiversity places. Look at this. Number first, Manas Sanctuary, and number 2, Sundarban Sanctuary. In Manas Sanctuary is famous for tiger and rhino. Tiger and rhino, these are the animals, these are the rare species of animals. Due to the overuse of natural resources, deforestation, indiscriminate use of water, we have to reduce the rare species of these animals, tiger and rhino, day by day. And last, Sundarban Sanctuary, which is famous for tiger. Also, day by day, the number of tigers are decreases due to the environment polluted. My role in environment, or we have to protect all these rare species of plants and animals into the nature, into the environment. My role in environment, these factors are also necessary. And hot spot of biodiversity in our India, we have to preserve, we have to protect the rare species of plants and animals, such as tiger, lion, rhino, deer, elephant. All these animals are found into the environment, and we have to protect, we have to preserve these rare species of plants and animals.